Hi folks, well, it's that time of year again. Spring is upon us. It's beautiful out. People everywhere are livening up their outside faucets, discovering that their competitor model didn't do too well over the winter. Well, come on, follow me to the customer's home where I'll be installing a Woodford Model 19, one of the last faucets they'll ever buy. Hi, I'm John Walker. I'm with the Walter Morris Company, and today I'm here to install a Woodford Model 19 on a customer's home. As you can see, unintentionally they left a hose hooked up to their competitor model, and it didn't do so well. So some ice probably built up, a little pressure causing inside on the tube, and it burst. And although it didn't burst in the home, when they went to turn on the faucet on the outside, you have a constant leak and it won't shut off anymore. So with the Woodford Model 19, it'll be the last faucet they install. So Woodford has a patented pressure reducing valve that's built right into the tube of this unit, which will not allow for this to happen. It can take up to 125 psi, so if any ice builds up any pressure, this will withstand that, drain it, and there will be no bursting and no reason to replace ever. It's a great model. It also has a die-cast metal handle, so the whole features of the whole faucet is great. And we're going to be installing this, and like I said, it should be the very last faucet they install. Alright, so here we are with the completed installation of the Woodford Model 19 CP-10. 10 meaning inches long, which I needed for this installation. CP inlet is 1/2 inch male by 1/2 inch copper sweat. I chose that inlet because the homeowners had CPVC piping installed in their home, and I was able to use the 1/2 inch male thread and adapt right into the existing 1/2 inch female adapter. Woodford has a wide variety of these inlet options, so you as the installer in the field can come across any application, whether you're doing copper, press, or PEX, and you'll be able to adapt to whatever you come across. Furthermore, the Woodford powder-coated die-cast aluminum handle, its strength and durability is one of the many reasons why Woodford has a 5-year warranty and the best warranty in the market. Can't say enough about the Woodford Model 19. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our Walter Morris page. Thank you very much.